Hi, I'm Jackie Dumaine, and I'm a transformational facilitator and a revenue and retention strategist. What intrigued me about learning the ins and outs and logistics of retreat planning and facilitating was really based on my experience in leading my own retreats and noticing how I often missed certain things that caused a whole lot of extra work for me and a whole lot of extra stress and ate into my profit margins. And so I really wanted to understand how to navigate that and be proactive about that so that my future live events, whether they're retreats or workshops, you can apply all the learning to any of it, were more profitable and less stressful. Another benefit of being part of the RetreatBoss community and being certified in the Mastering Retreats program is you become sort of a trusted community member for Catherine. And I was very excited, more than excited, to be chosen to go on a familiarization trip to Mas Olas in Mexico, where I had the opportunity to experience the venue from not only a retreat leader standpoint, but from a guest standpoint, and see if the venue was in alignment with Catherine's standards for hosting retreats. My experience with hosting retreats in the past was very much, I don't want to say winging it, but as a transformational facilitator, I was so focused on the experience I wanted to create, and that's who I am in my nature. And I didn't calculate that into how I priced my retreats. And I think that is crucial. They were always break even and maybe a little bit profitable, but really they could have been 10 times more profitable had I priced them properly. When you're providing a premium experience, people are going to expect to pay premium prices. And so when I started charging premium prices, my profits doubled. I think that sometimes we can pigeonhole retreat leaders as one demographic, but if you are someone who is interested in hosting any kind of transformational experience, whether you're a C-suite executive that wants to host one for your team, or maybe you're an event planner that plans corporate retreats, or you're a coach or consultant who knows that people are craving in-person experiences. So whatever kind of in-person experience you're looking to create, this course is going to give you the step-by-step on how to do it. I think the biggest value that you get out of Mastering Retreats is Catherine's experience. So you have someone that you can go to and ask the questions and get real feedback on someone who's done it over and over again, who's seen the mistakes many retreat leaders make, and she's also seen the ones that really nail it and make a lot of money and make a big impact doing it. If you fall into that, I wouldn't hesitate to enroll in this program.